Dear students, I welcome you all to the online learning class for the subject Fundamentals of Agricultural Economics. I am your course teacher B. Muthuraja, Assistant Professor, Agricultural Economics in Ramakrishna Mission Vivekananda Educational and Research Institute, Faculty Center for Agricultural Education and Research, Coimbatore. I welcome you all to today's class. Cardinal approach where utility can be measured in terms of utils. So it was given by Alfred Marshall. Here we have two laws, law of diminishing marginal utility and law of equimarginal utility. So we have two laws, that is called as law of diminishing marginal utility, and one another is law of equimarginal utility. Before going to that laws, we have to know that we have to know about total utility. Total utility is nothing but when we consume products or commodities, the total utility. For example, let's say that we are having 10 mangoes. So first mango will give some amount of utils. The second mango will give some utils. So addition of all the utils derived will give the total utility. That is utility derived from first mango and utility derived from second mango until the last mango. What is the, for example, let's say that we consume mango. First mango will give 100 utils, and second mango will give 90 utils, and third mango will give 80 utils. Then the total utility will be 100 plus 90 plus 80, that is around 270 utils. Similarly, we have to know about the marginal utility. Marginal refers to the term additional. Marginal and additional are same. So marginal utility means the additional utility we derive. The additional utility we derive. So the additional utility can be calculated by the change in total utility due to change in quantity consumed. So when we increase the utility by consuming one more good, we can measure it as the utility, measured as the marginal utility. So it is given as the formula delta Tu by delta X. Let's see this with the example here with mango. So when we take the first quantity, it gives us 100 utils. When we take the second quantity, it will give 90 utils, and the third will give 80 utils. So the total utility will be so in first case it will be 100, and second 100 plus 90, 190, and third case it will be 270. So the total utility will be 100, 190 and 270. Here we can measure the marginal utility by finding delta TU by delta X. Delta TU refers to change in total utility. So in first case there is no change, and in the second case there is change, that is 190 minus 100. So from the current one to previous one, how much changes has occurred will give the change in total utility, delta TU. And the whole divided by change in the quantity consumed. So one quantity has increased, so that is represented as 1. So similarly, when we think about the second and third, so it will be 270 minus 190, the whole divided by the change from commodities, that is 1. So it will give 90 and 80 respectively. So the marginal utility is the change in total utility due to the change in quantity consumed. So when we increase one quantity, how much the total utility has changed will give the term marginal utility.